Led by Speaker Chintakarayana Pathrodu, Chief Minister Chandrababu Naidu, along with key ministers and party leaders, participated in the session to finalize the legislative agenda for ongoing assembly proceedings. The meeting focused on scheduling discussions, bills and training sessions for newly elected MLAs. CM Naidu emphasized that assembly sessions should not be stalled for any individual and called for serious, responsible debate on public issues. The BAC also decided to extend the assembly sittings until September 26, with plans to introduce key bills including the repeal of the Land Titling Act and restoration of India's kin name, the Health University.